Hey everybody, what's happening? Just getting things ready for ACME. I already mentioned that on the other video, but it's all packed up here. And got it all packed up. Got some cool stickers. I just got them in today. I ordered some stickers, and there's some. I don't have too many, but I have a few of these for ACME. And I got the cars all. They're all in there, looking all cozy, and all my stuff I need to take with me. And I wanted to mention, number one, I'm excited to meet everybody at ACME. That's going to be really cool to see a lot of people that I've never met before, and to see friends that I have, and that you don't get to see very often. One thing I want to mention, Saturday, November the 19th, there is a model show in Tampa, Florida. And I know Tampa is a long way from everywhere, unless you live in Florida. And then it could be potentially a long way from there too. Tampa's about 4.5 hours from me, about the same as Atlanta. There is a model show on November the 19th that I'll flash the banner here so you can see it. But I plan on being at this model show as well. So that's a week off in between. So ACME, week off, and then over in Tampa. I don't really plan on entering anything over there in Tampa. Just want to go see the show. Maybe, I was hoping that maybe some of you guys would be able to meet there. Let's meet up, like, you know, that'd be cool. If you weren't planning, maybe you could plan to go down to Tampa. November 19th. It looks like a nice show. I've never been to it. I'm kind of like not very well versed in model shows, but I do plan being there. Would love to see some of you guys there. I've not reached out to some of my friends that maybe would pass by this way if maybe they wanted to go down that way. I don't think my family's gonna go with me. Don't know if I'll go by myself or what, but anyway, if any of you guys are interested, let me know in the comments, email me or something like that. But I plan on being there on that Saturday. I'll probably go up Friday evening, stay in a hotel. I don't feel like getting up super early, driving 4.5 hours, and then turn around, drive 4.5 hours back, because I'd probably come home on Saturday. But anyway, that's all this video is. I just wanted to give you a heads up about that show. I have a dang tough time locating shows. So yeah, locating shows, not my forte. Have a hard time doing that. So when I see one that's relatively close, I'm going to go to it. And I'd love to see some of you guys there. That would be so cool. Some of you that can't migrate up to, you know, if you live down in central South Florida and can't make it up to ACME, and I totally understand that. Florida is a humongous long state. Maybe you could come up to Tampa or JaxCon, but I just wanted to throw that out there, and see you there. If I can't see you in Tampa, maybe JaxCon, but for sure I'll be in. Well, for sure, nothing's for sure, by the way. I plan on being in Atlanta this Saturday, seeing my friends, seeing you guys, and taking this box of toys here. Hopefully I'll have enough stickers to give out. I only have 20. I'm just joking. I will not have enough stickers to give out. But anyway, I got a limited supply of stickers, so if you want one, come ask. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to go check out Hobby Nut Models, the Facebook group, the spring store, all those things. I appreciate you guys checking all those things out, especially Hobby Nut Models. Go support a small business. Go buy something from Mark over at Hobby Nut. Linked in the description below are all those things. Patreon members, thank you so very much. Yeah, I'm done. So we'll see all of you soon at a show. All right.